aranyiheire thiini wa ngombo ciagwo ni gikaro-ini giki augeti ati bururi wina thiiri utanyiheire birioni 10 toria Maina wa mucwe aratariria.
Njuguna Ndungu na uria ni Minista wa Kigina bururi-ini ni ataririe uria bururi ugomeirwo ni ngombo ya tirioni citakunyihira 10 iria ri ni gicunji kia 71 hari igana kia GDP ya bururi, kuria riu bururi utangihota kuoya ngombo ringi na makiria marihi ma thirikari kuri honge ciayo igikururia, undu uria augete uracungiririo ni unene wa thiiri uyu.
Having a clarity in terms of policy clarity in terms of debt management becomes very important. That's why we wanted to actually showcase at this point in time why this issue is very, very important.
Kuona mabũrũri ta USA ni mari mitaratara ya kuhota kurua na thiiri wao niguo ndukagumire ukuria wa bururi, undu uria Kenya itari kuona kigina kia Eurobond kiria kioyagwo nigetha gukinyaniria tabarira cia ukuria riu tigia kwihokwo thutha wakio guikia bururi uyu haceke. Riu akiuga ta bururi ni turabatara mubango ungi na mutaratara murumu wa kurua na ngombo citu.
See, some countries have diverse instruments they can use. One of them is the Eurobond.
Kigingi dora birioni 2 kirabatarikana kurihwo mwisho wa mweri wa 6 mwaka wa 2024, undu uria Njuguna augite no nginyagia urihwo wona waga kuriha kuguciriria njoherera ya iguru na ona warihika tabarira cia ukuria ni cigwikika bururi-ini.
But then once we pay that, you'll see that our take to make sure that we can move. That's why we have this paragraph of showing how we intend to move between now and the period. We are actually saying, given the current circumstances, we need some time to adjust.
Thiiri uyu ugumeire nginyagia honge kiumbe kuona makienda kuoya ngombo kuma honge cia nanja ta Eurobond marakora mahingiriire na njira ya githomo, una kiria honge ici ireka iraheana ngombo ici na njoherera ya iguru, undu uria uraguciriria marihi manene na kumatiga na hathara nene.
They are not telling you we have closed the door, but if they set the rate at 20%, you know you can't go. It's this. You can't, you not, even yourself, if you walk to the bank and they tell you, yes, we are going to give you a loan, how long do you want it, how much? But given your risk profile, we are going to charge you 50% interest. You will not take it.
Handũ-inĩ ha Muthingi TV, rĩakwa nĩ Maina wa mucwe.